The gentle giants, a closer look at elephants, guardians of the wild. Elephants, the largest land mammals on Earth, have long fascinated humans with their immense size, intelligence, and complex social structures. Often referred to as gentle giants, these majestic creatures exhibit behaviors that reveal deep emotional and cognitive capacities. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the world of elephants, uncovering their natural history, social dynamics, and the critical role they play as guardians of their ecosystems. Natural history and species. Elephants belong to the family Elephantidae, which includes 3 extant species: the African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Each species has adapted to different environments, from the savannas of Africa to the dense forests of Asia. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant, the largest of the 3 species, is found in sub-Saharan Africa. Males can reach up to 13 feet at the shoulder and weigh over 12,000 pounds. Their large ears, which help dissipate heat, and their long, curved tusks are distinguishing features. African forest elephant. Smaller and more elusive than their savanna counterparts, African forest elephants inhabit the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa. They have straighter, thinner tusks and are adapted to navigating through thick undergrowth. Asian elephant. Asian elephants are found across South and Southeast Asia. They are smaller than African elephants and have smaller ears and a more domed head. Unlike African elephants, only some male Asian elephants have large tusks. Social structure and behavior. Elephants are known for their intricate social structures and strong familial bonds. These social systems are matriarchal, with groups led by an older, experienced female known as the matriarch. The matriarch guides the group in finding food, water, and shelter, drawing on her extensive knowledge of the environment. Family units. A typical elephant family unit consists of the matriarch, her daughters, and their offspring. These units are highly cohesive, with members displaying strong emotional connections and cooperative behavior. Calves are cared for not only by their mothers but also by other females in the group, known as alamathers. Communication. Elephants communicate through a combination of vocalizations, body language, and seismic signals. Their vocal repertoire includes trumpets, rumbles, and infrasonic rumbles that can travel long distances. These infrasonic sounds are particularly fascinating, as they allow elephants to communicate across several miles, coordinating movements and alerting each other to potential threats. Intelligence and emotion. Elephants exhibit remarkable intelligence, comparable to that of primates and cetaceans. They have large brains relative to their body size, and studies have shown that they possess advanced problem-solving abilities, self-awareness, and a capacity for empathy. Elephants have been observed mourning their dead, displaying behaviors that suggest a deep understanding of loss and grief. Ecological role. Elephants are keystone species, meaning they have a disproportionately large impact on their ecosystems relative to their abundance. Their activities shape the environment in ways that benefit numerous other species. Habitat modification. Through their feeding habits, elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the structure and biodiversity of their habitats. In forests, they create clearings that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, promoting the growth of new vegetation. In savannas, they prevent overgrowth of woody plants, maintaining the grasslands that support a variety of herbivores. Seed dispersal. Elephants are vital seed dispersers. They consume large quantities of fruit and then transport and deposit the seeds over vast distances in their dung. This process not only aids in plant reproduction but also enhances genetic diversity and forest regeneration. Water resource management. During dry seasons, elephants dig for water in dry riverbeds, creating water holes that benefit other animals. Their presence ensures that water sources are accessible to a wide range of species, contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Threats and conservation. Despite their ecological importance, elephants face numerous threats, primarily due to human activities. Habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and poaching for ivory are major challenges to their survival. Habitat loss. Expanding agricultural lands, urbanization, and infrastructure development are leading to the fragmentation and loss of elephant habitats. This not only reduces the available space for elephants to roam but also isolates populations, making it difficult for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. Human-elephant conflict. As human populations grow and encroach on elephant habitats, conflicts between humans and elephants are becoming more frequent. Human-elephant conflict. As human populations grow and encroach on elephant habitats, conflicts between humans and elephants are becoming more frequent. Elephants may raid crops, causing significant economic losses for farmers, who sometimes retaliate by killing elephants. Mitigating these conflicts requires innovative solutions, such as the use of beehive fences, which deter elephants while providing farmers with additional income from honey. Poaching and illegal trade. The demand for ivory has led to rampant poaching, decimating elephant populations, particularly in Africa. Despite international bans on the ivory trade, illegal markets persist. Conservation efforts focus on strengthening anti-poaching measures, enforcing wildlife protection laws, and reducing demand through public awareness campaigns. Conservation efforts and success stories. Efforts to conserve elephants are multifaceted, involving local communities, governments, and international organizations. Successful conservation programs often integrate scientific research, habitat protection, and community engagement. Protected areas and wildlife corridors. Establishing and maintaining protected areas is crucial for elephant conservation. These areas provide safe havens where elephants can live and reproduce without the threat of poaching or habitat destruction. Additionally, creating wildlife corridors that connect fragmented habitats allows elephants to migrate safely and maintain healthy populations. Community-based conservation. Involving local communities in conservation efforts is essential. By empowering communities to manage and benefit from wildlife resources, conservation programs can ensure long-term success. Initiatives such as ecotourism and sustainable agriculture provide alternative livelihoods that reduce reliance on activities harmful to elephants. Technological innovations. Advancements in technology are playing a significant role in elephant conservation. GPS collars and satellite tracking enable researchers to monitor elephant movements and identify critical habitats. Drones and camera traps are used to detect and deter poachers, while DNA analysis helps in prosecuting illegal ivory traders. The future of elephants. The future of elephants depends on our collective efforts to address the threats they face and to promote coexistence between humans and wildlife. By understanding and valuing the ecological roles and emotional lives of elephants, we can foster a deeper appreciation and commitment to their conservation. Education and awareness. Educating the public about the importance of elephants and the challenges they face is crucial. Schools, media, and conservation organizations play a vital role in raising awareness and fostering a culture of conservation. Policy and legislation. Strong policies and legislation are necessary to protect elephants and their habitats. This includes enforcing anti-poaching laws, regulating land use, and ensuring that international agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, are upheld. Research and collaboration. Ongoing research is essential for understanding elephant behavior, ecology, and genetics. Collaborative efforts between scientists, conservationists, governments, and local communities are key to developing effective conservation strategies. In conclusion, elephants, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom, are not only fascinating creatures with complex social behaviors and impressive intelligence but also crucial guardians of their ecosystems. Their survival is intertwined with the health of the environments they inhabit and the well-being of countless other species. By protecting elephants, we are also safeguarding the biodiversity and stability of our planet. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to invest in conservation efforts, embrace sustainable practices, and cultivate a deep respect for these magnificent animals. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.